Salute una for outside the country people them inside we strong number them this afternoon. We go take una enter for place where they call am say Boya. When you hear say this boy them way e dey so they left gone. They don't come out again since this morning time. Moto no defeat for pass go for Likoko or Bukwango. Na so to moto wey come up from Bukwango or Likoko Membia. E no defeat for pass for reach for small support or continue for Guinness Street for that side. So for Boya, waiting be their problem. We go hear am inside Tori for this afternoon. So for the same chapter, sabi say one person he died, two people them. So now they never sabi say boy there with a gun. They take them for Three Corners Junction for place where them call am say Bonakanda Village, Boya subdivision. We go talk that one plus this Amber big man according to waiting where soldier them talk when na he don't the lookout na he don't get power for side from Bongem where they call it General Espirito where it is so army people then kill am for that side. So for Bongem they be show you for population for Kumba. We go talk that one this afternoon. And for morning time we be talk chapter for moto wey be the cash fire in the show say na moto for PWD for Bamenda. Sabi say PWD e get for play with Dragon for Yawende this weekend for number 3 day for Elite One Damba. Another moto wey cash fire for place where them call am say Makenene. We no sabi actually wait way pass before the motor born, but no player for PWD e no get caught. Even the Kojem all man e come up for day except cargo the way they born. We go talk that one too this afternoon. Plus accident wey be happen for Balengu where e concern a motor for this man wey they call am say waiting say e dey so nyoki onana. So all this story them we go surely bring am for now for this afternoon, and even some newspaper them where e dey for we hand. Country people them big people them talk this afternoon. E dey tell we say kusha where e dey wash dirty pan isesef e dey tonton e clean. I say kusha where e dey wash dirty pan for clean na so to the kusha e dey tonton e clean. Big people them talk na Kamani Mikel where e she done for inside Douala here. Pikin for Fezan, a student for St. Francis College for Fiango Kumba. Na SSF is same way big people them talk. This afternoon, we go surely the turn back some more time. We dey salute una for outside the again country people them as so talk for now. Iwawa for that side, so for Southwest particularly people there they she done around Postal Institute Junction. Now for they will go take una one time enter na boy them that way they be don't agree for left gun. The left gun they come they say they don't put them for inside DDR center when a center where automatic e get for train this boy them then e come out that idea say they be don't fair hold gun for their hand, but as well the day the boy they don't come out again they block roads. So they make and just now motor the way they come up from Guinness class quarters or even for small support for climb go for up for place where them the call am say Likoko Membia or Bukwango where no day at all country people them as we boy they come out this early afternoon they don't block road again. According to Tori where they enter we hear this boy them where they don't block road their vex e then say waiting say they don't shit on inside that DDR center for plenty time. They never fit forgive them the promise saying governor he be promise them say after some time they go make they come up for outside they go do other thing them, but they don't shit down for plenty time. They never so fit for governor he never so fit for answer present for all the promise we make am for them. So now why that way they don't come out again today and sabi say Congo side be the enter we ESA now today they be get for the make a foundation stone for place where they go build the DDR center for inside Boya. But just now as we talk they cry for this boy them now say they don't oversheet on inside the DDR center. They no even first sabi how their own family it do for back after when they come out. They say they no one continue for take gun against country. Make we hear one of them. It tell we waiting where it provoke them for waka or lock road today.
We would have our state, people don't be for center over 2 years. Where the length of time where they're giving us 7 months. So we ask the government, wait till it happen, why they no one move me? If the government did not get nothing to forgive me, they simply tell we move, go back for place we will come out. We're not tired of fight, not tired before we come for here. Not because we don't realize and say, till we be go on, then we don't carry our emotion. We don't fool we. But it don't mean say the fool we for that side more come for me the fool we again. We don't tire the DJR. If the place, if government not get nothing forgive me leave we go rest. We go for our people that will go get co-hit because for here they stress with the more. I get one picky, I don't know how they picking they because I know the work money. Same my own they will get a mouth for my skin, they know the give me.
One of the boy them that way he talk with we push them for block road and as well talk. We go turn back for Boya for sure. Una say they so road every block. Una say himself say we no day for plenty of the motor the way they be check say that the job can pass for the consult for enter for Bukwango or for go self for side where they call them say Likoko maybe a country people them we no day as well the motor they get the big by force for make a U-turn. It means say all motor they get by force turning for say the boy them where they be don't left gone they don't decide they don't block roads say no motor you know go pass. So all motor the way don't can reach Soyem, the motor they only turn. One the way they be come up for Likoko or Bukwango way they be one come, them to the just the turn. Then they go them back. So now the condition that as all the talk inside Boya, Secretary General for inside Governor for Southwest Office, Secretary General for Governor for Southwest, he too it already land for the place. As all the talk just now country people them. Sabi say he don't go there in a DO for Boya, Abba Abdurrahman for go see as well they go talk with this boy them. But according to corner side of the year, it show say even after he can talk with the boy them they don't so tie grass and the boy they don't talk say they go she don't block that road until time where he they so themselves said the season governor he don't do the way he be get for do am. So even SG for governor office or Southwest where he go there he never so fit for make the boy them they try for understand. So now them that where they did there as soon as they see them inside this chapter. We go take una remain for Boya. Yesterday we be talk on top this one way be happen inside a Three Corners Junction for Bonakanda village. Now for that side, so for Boya subdivision, we be talk for now on a Thursday concerning the attack where it happened for some popular place where people they dreaming bow. Now the place that inside a Three Corners Junction for Bonakanda village for Boya subdivision. We hear say some people then come with a gun. Now so they start holla say make all man sleep for ground. By mistake on how they shoot one person where they call it say Pa Mola Ikome, country people them. Mola Ikome, na be that where the bullet he enter one time. He died for that side. So for Three Corners Junction, Bonakanda village, inside Boya subdivision. And Sabi Sepsi on top the chapter, they be fair carry 4 people them go tam. Then after we hear say 2 they left them, they turn back, but 2 where they inside the 4, 2 he remain with the boy that would gone. As we Tori enter we here na so to be waka. We meet up with woman for Mola Ikome where would hear say na the shoot am. He talk for we waiting where he pass for that day.
Come he tell me say one go for a friendly place. I say okay. We remain for here we look television. I want to say he beat me. Tell Sophie say uncle say no come. To come out go meet up here. So meet up there for day. Sure the place be flop. Place be flop. So I should be for them. Then that my girl Pikika call me say, "Mommy, can we go house to Papa and can we go chop down?" I tell me so na can we go back for house. So he carry the bottle member for hand. Me to carry my order is it causes to carry it. So immediately as now we don't first go for before one start to go before me I see there for back. As I want start to follow him. I always I see the go. Some other people that they can't enter. As they enter, I don't know here. Hey, must stop. That one stop now. I see the boy just turn. I see where the go now. Go where one come out for outside for go house. Okay. Don't lay here now gun. I see shoot that gun. Now they say, oh man, the inside here, all man down. They just at the Halloween, all man down. As they enter, one will be whole gone, one will be whole gone. As they come, they say, any man put a phone for table, any man put a phone for table. As you put that, they collect all the phones. As they carry the phones, they carry them. And they come out, almost a different group to be for outside where they be drink. They put them two for down. But the only way gunshot is still allowed for outside. So.
Yes, now so the thing be passed, but Sabi Seb say after the shooting way happen, according to where the woman for man where they shoot and so they die, he talk, the boy then say they start blame. We no be come for can shoot, we no be come for can do the one, no be an ambassador talker. Make we ask with the woman, he continue for Terry.
People will shoot mama son, my friend, he talk say, you come for here, they tell you something you shoot. They told me no shoot. You don't shoot. So you don't kill that papa. Why you papa don't do now? What way you shoot see? Now for that way me I go for under table now. And you look and I say where? Me say mama say don't die. Even I in Hala so I go for under table. I still yes I still fear me. All man dead down. All man's belly down. The broke all men all the people their table. They all win and so wet. As once then now only the system now they start the query for outside. That boy start blame me seriously. Now they were yesterday so they shoot so 1 2 I think now for a say the hospital. Then the group for the Bikarango now for where the Bikarango will not be see the will not be knowing. Now the money time now will be crying now for them. Now where they don't come back now where they can't get a statement now for the before no say they carry people they to go learn.
Yes, not just the thing that will happen for Three Corners Junction for Bonakanda Village for Boya subdivision. We go come out from Boya, we enter, come out from Fako, we enter for Meme division. For that side, so for Meme division, na so palava for blood, we it away. This time, for that side, so for Bisik Junction, now for the way population for inside Akumba, even SDO, to Ndong Shambalen and other people them, soldier them all, they be there, as well they be the show cargo them for someone general, where they call him say General Espirito, as well to enter for EM. Now the man where he be get power, now he be the control, place them like Kuke, as well here for that side so from Bonge subdivision. The girl one at the same with the white, we hear say now the woman for General Espirito, where Tori the enter we here too, say now from Douala where the girl be the go Kumba, from there where they pick this girl where he never ever come out for outside. So all people them they be fight for seeing a die body, for person where they don't kill and come put them for middle roads where they say now General Espirito. According to waiting, when Tundong Shambalen, the SDO for Meme, he try for talk. He say this also beg the one way they hold gun, say me they come out for outside. Say me they take example like Kawayanik, they take example like Nambere and other big general them too where they don't left the place where they don't kill them. Say you know like for the years say they don't kill some person or for say me they can't show person say they don't kill them. So even the big man, Manjong, and the army big man that for B, we now be there for the operation where he left to the killing for this General Espirito and some 2 of other commander them where they work under he as where the general talk for we. So they be show the die body and other cargo them for population for Kumba every day on Thursday. We go take una one time, we enter for inside a place where they call them say West Region, na some Kanatori, where una go here. It go be like say na lie, but na true. Man says he take his hand, he knock, he pikin so he kill him. Now the place that where they bury that pikin, where we hear say na pikin for inside government technical school for Chang. Now the man says that, where according to Tori where we enter we hear, the man he knock he pikin gi and cut only for sika waiting. The he go for side where he make it trap from drum beef. He go see am say they don't throw it dirty for banana for day. Now all the thing that way he dey so the man he vex. He come ask the woman who can put dirty for banana for place where I put my trap. The woman talk say no sabi. He ask and say outside the pikin them day. He say the pikin they don't sleep. Say he go meet wake up them. Woman talk say no make you left the pikin them as well they don't sleep. Ask them for morning time. The man he go wake up all the pikin them. He lock door. He tie them with the rope. Then he start whip them with the collars. Knock them with the collars. So they waiting 2 of the pikin dem, the woman e be fit for comot key inside the man pocket. Time wey be don sleep go deep, e take the 2 pikin dem go for hospital. Then one wey e skin e be don give am cut plenty, that one e die. As wey tori enter for we ear. So na just for sika say dey throw dirty for banana for place wey don set trap from ground beef. Na the thing that wey kill e make am. This man e give cut for him own pikin dem, then e kill another one wey e be the knack dem. Na with the colours when the man say comot for outside, they ask e say wetin e make am before e do that kind of thing. The man e talk for we microphone dem. Warren maybe we fit continue for talk on top the chapter. The man be the talk for on top him microphone. We microphone say wetin say e dey so na the same way wey e papa e be the use for naki when e do wrong. Say na the same way that way do am too for a pikin. Say e no be mean no nothing, e no be mean bad, e no be sabi self say go kill a pikin. Say na the same way wey papa dey use for punish e, wey e punish e own pikin dem. So e dey be the tie hand, then dey the whippy with collars. So the same way na e wey use am too for punish e pikin dem. So e don kill one of e pikin and 2 other e pikin dem. They dey for back counter just for sake say wetin they go to a dirty for place where e don put trap for ground beef. Now for inside Mecca quarter for west region wey that thing e pass for place where they call am say Makenene. As we talk for now, morning time will be the talk on top palava say some moto e born and e the tonton show say the moto we born na boss for PWD Bamenda country people dem. That moto we hear say e comot Bamenda na the new buzzards where they just come up for buy for PWD Bamenda. The moto be the go Yawende. PWD get for play with Dragon for number 3 day for this elite one Damba, but their moto e born for Makenene. No ask me wetin wey provoke the burning, but tori wey enter we ear talk for we say no player or even team plus driver, no person e no die get caught, or no person no get any serious thing for his skin. But na the moto wey e born as wey dey be the waka go for that side. So for inside Yawende for play against Dragon this weekend. And inside Yawende we go enter for talk fire. E don burn for some big compound where we hear say just dey for corner Sheferi for that side. So for Simbok this afternoon, country people them as well na the sea. No person e no sabi wetin wey provoke the fire, but lucky say one time wey the fire start for cash. Army rescue people dem say for Yawende they be fit for run reach for dey quick for follow up on top this fire. Country people them as we tori enter for inside we hear. So army rescue they be fit for maintain the fire. They lost the fire and we hear say something the day where they be born for inside the house. Apart from say waiting population where it be the day time where the thing happen, they be fit for comot. They run comot for outside for see as where they go comot some cargo then. So small town I go see the only thing them where they comot inside that house where catch fire. Na this chair them one at the siam. Now all thing that way comot, plenty other thing the day where it burn inside that house where it catch fire this afternoon for Simbok. Now for Yawende as we tori enter for inside we here. Inside Mbanga for Mongo division, country people them also go enter. Now for a company gendarme officer go enter for day with the new big man Captain Cyril Jean Momo when at the company commander for day. Operation wey make am inside quarter them from Banga. Now way he come out with that plenty liter them for funge. Where he enter for quarter he carry am. Sabi say since Ngomna he don the fight on top this funge where they sell am for corner road. So all that liter them na operation wey a company commander for gendarmerie inside Mbanga, commander or Captain Cyril Jean Momo he do am in a boy them and na one day work wey wanna the see am. So for that side we go remain from Mbanga this time. Now for police people them office for talk these thief people them suspected thief people them we commissioner Disake Honore we be the commissioner from Banga. He show am for Tori people them for that side. These two boy them they say they in a group for three thief people them suspected wey dey be thief for inside some woman, na dey thief some woman, then they go thief too inside some phone store for that side, so from Banga, then they carry the person wey get the cargo, they go levy sote for toll gate for Banga, as wey they carry thing then go. After wey the people then left complain, investigate, when a Commissioner Disake Honore from Banga they carry am, he make am sote they don't catch these two, but sabi say the first one immediately wey they catch it, we hear say e dey for back counter as wey tori enter for inside we hear. Make we hear wetin wey the woman wey dey be attacking a man, he talk for we microphone.
One day we come out for Chimoto, Amasa, we come for here. We enter, picking, opening, we enter with Chimoto. We want to see them. They enter, we see people where they enter with gun. Talk say, we come out inside motor, enter for us. That way we see them, so we come out, we enter for us. They talk say all things we get them. Say we give them all things we get them. They enter, begin chat us. Anything where they see and they take them. All money, phone. They take except my phone where they take my mobile money that night. They move money where we be inside. They send them for the patrol where they be chief.
Yes, na the woman that way e dey so they be attacking a man. Una don hear wetin he talk. As well, they be the show with that boy them. They be take we Commissioner Honore Disake for that side, so from Banga. He be carry we. He go for the phone store. Now for the way they so they be carry the man. Yes, now for the places where the people them apart from say they take money from this woman in mobile money where he get them where they use them. They come right for inside the store. Take them too for day as we do here. Then they carry the man so they toll gate. Then they levy. Now so the man turn so they reach your commissioner. He put complaint. The woman, he talk, he tell for we again.
200 and something. Yes. They move from the cell for the patrol. After that, they bring my master for store. They talk for my master say if you say he open store. My master open store, they enter. They take all things wey be inside, phone, money, all things wey be. That that day he bring am for Douala, they take am all. They bring in am for payage. They leave him for some place for day. I don't know why we make am something try he reach for commissariat. Now for day he call, he tell for police there. That night commissaire come for store. They make some get them.
Yes, country people now just so the thing be happen for inside Banga now for Mongo division. We go talk this accident where na the mayor for inside the Yawin the 6, Jean-Yoki Onana, in moto be that where he make accident for inside Balengu for North West region. And as soon as see the moto with the here, according to where doctor them talk, say the mayor and the driver they fine, so no person no get any serious cause na accident will be involved. Jean-Yoki Onana, mayor for Yawin the 6, and a driver. Now for inside Douala here, just for talk for na say concerning the TOB talk, Palabadi school, where they call them say college Susanna, whether na Susanna college, where school picking them one day where they did write exam for more than 1 week now, they never fit forget any teacher for can't teach them. Now for sika waiting, teachers and say they vex, say they never pay them money for inside the chapter, say they know the treat them fine as we tori enter we here. Apart from say waiting, they never pay them money according to this teacher them. It dey so where they be don't cut their salary and they force them say may they go for some particular church where if they no go that church every Sunday they cut their 2,000. So now the thing that way it this teacher then say they no be fit for understand and we try always for call even the principal for college Susanna and say one can see make his except talk your own side for story. The man he lock his phone say he no one here hear no nothing. Will be reached to for the divisional delegation for college book for Douala here for ask them their own side for story for them according to way the divisional delegate talk for we. He try for tell we say they be don't forget Donga men for say make peace. He turn back for that school, but it is show say the school says help. He no one time say meeting they happen. So just now, Ma Pauline Alova Lyonga, na you they don't give am just now this other side for follow up on top 2 they happen for college Susanna. And before we come out this afternoon, country people them make we sabi say already it no be any news again, no been a breaking story as other people they fit talk for inside the National Assembly for Cameroon. After we vote it be passed on Thursday, we get Honorable Kabayege Jibril where he turn back on top the chair. 162 people then vote inside that 162 or people that they get for vote 147 a vote for Honorable Kabayege Jibril and 15 they no vote for it. So just now he don't turn back again on top the same chair, and after we take office the first talk we talk he say he thank Kunkuma where he don't make people that don't also vote again on top the chair. So I be saying that since 1992 where Honorable Kabayege Jibril he dey on top this chair and around 81 years old he don't be already as we Tory enter with Ian Sabi say some of the new people them where they put them for inside the bureau for National Assembly. We get Honorable Honorable Tabot Lawson where they calling Jala for that side. So for Kumba where it too it be one of the secretaries them inside the new bureau where they vote for Yawende. We go come out for outside there. We take una enter now so for inside the National Senate. Sabi say for the Senate side, that one too change it no be there as o sabi. For that side, we be get Marcel Nyat Nchifenji where they voted back on top the chair like the president for Senate for inside Yawinde day. It be passed na yesterday. So sabi even as we plenty they be don't check say maybe things they go change. Things they no be change at all. Nyat Marcel Nchifenji he don't turn back on top the chair and Senator Emilian Keze for SDF na he own place it be changed as we they bring another senator for the same chair, but sabi say na the same SDF senator where he replaced Senator Emilia Nkeze on top that chair like one of the vice them inside Senate House. Well then, we don't already finish, we don't almost finish. Maybe we go just take, we will make we enter for newspaper. Some of the newspaper they will get we'll just jump enter for newspaper so that will come out for outside. For this side, inside the guidance post where they outside, they talk for we this afternoon. Say, Kunkuma, it don't make them again. Say, they so people there, their skin not turn fine. Nyat and Kabayege Jibril, they don't sit on back on top chair. According to way to the guidance post, they talk. And so for the guidance post, they say, Bonge people they glad over after we uniform people them they kill some general and even some other fighter them inside Mbonge. Other told them they we fit for it inside the guidance post. The voice weekender he talk for we as when an old new parliament people them as when the voice he put you go read Tory too where he consign waiting Tory where he consign trouble inside the country. The voice newspaper he get that chapter for inside Senate 2 as waiting there no change for day and other to read them with the voice weekend he carry him for his skin. Post weekend too he get his own chapter for talk for we as we Osi Joshua he don't swear say he no be ever enter for inside A2D for 2018. You go read that chapter for day. Now so to you go read other to read them with the post weekend he come out this weekend. We don't finish story for this afternoon, country people them. Make one and no forget say PG News debate. It come on Saturday 12:30. Sote Inak for 1:30. We return back for some of the key things that will happen inside this week. And Sabi Sepse will go concentrate again on top this corona we don't turn back. We go try for get inside again for that chapter. Big thank you for Danny Warren Zede. Na he put a camera for my before and na he did for backside. It is an image. Thank you to plenty Malis. Thank you Zephyrin Gondi. We all now una put hand for some kind of style. For cemetery, he go for before. If Papa God agree, I go turn back for 12:30 on Saturday. Na PG News debate. On a whole and tight.